Izin penting nak kalian kepada kerja kibayadai bat COVID-19 mentah kesini kadnyo dari September hajar aku hadu si beje menskin kikis ki bertemai di bangyot mentah bilang sispa ndre kuai East Garo Hills are, East Jainta Hills are Fufra, East Khasi Hills Shispa San, are Naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Shispa Lai Naki Wei. Ribhoi District, Kandai, Southwest Khasi Hills, Iway, West Garo Hills, Kha'a, Nreu Naki Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Nreu Naki Wei. West Khasi Hills, Iway, Southwest Garo Hills Lai. Kes kiba long active hadu mentah kesini bilang si hajar pendai spa prapulai. Pada kini si hajar lai spa kat pendai tidak napo East Khasi Hills. Aspa sahusan gede ni Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but si hajar ni pusau na kiwei. West Khasi Hills, Khatlai, Southwest Khasi Hills, San, Ribhoi, Shispa Andreu, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, South New, Padaki Wei, Shispa Khandai, West Jainta Hills, Tipo, East Jainta Hills, Aspa Andreu San, West Garo Hills, Shispa Andreu, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, New Po, Padaki Wei, Khandai Po. Southwest Garo Hills, South, South Garo Hills, Khatra, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, Indon, Wei, Khatra. East Garo Hills, San, North Garo Hills, Khra. Kes ki berada cover mentah sini bilang Nyong Khra. Pada kini Nyong Khra, life Nyong bidai berada po East Khasi Hills, Wei di Armed Force, Paramilitary Force, but life Ndreu bidai Wei. North Garo Hills Lai, Ribhoi Lai, Southwest Khasi Hills Iway, West Garo Hills Armed Khandai, Iway nagi Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, but Khra nagi Wei. West Jainta Hills South, Southwest Garo Hills Iway. Barok ki belar kawan mentah kilo hajar Laispa South R. But ki baklat na mentah kilo hadu lai kuai wot. Arwot ki klat menemit for East Khasi Hills. Shispa Andreu kuai wot. East Khasi Hills Shispa San. But kini Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces kilo R, high risk contacts, life R, help worker Iway, returning San, Jail Road Cluster R, Jalupara Cluster South, Keating Road Cluster Khatway, Laban Cluster Lai, Mopuram Cluster Ndreu, Nongmansong Cluster Spo, Pridazar Cluster Khra, Rajwawan Cluster Kha'a, Rilbong Cluster Wei, Renjak Cluster San, but Umlingka Cluster Lai. East Jainta Hills Arthufra, Unique Star Cement Cluster, West Garo Hills Kha'a, Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces Ndreu, High Risk South, Returning R. Ribhoi, Khandai, baru di high risk. East Garo Hills R, di returnees. Southwest Garo Hills Lai, high risk di Iway, returnees R. West Khasi Hills Iway, di health worker. But Southwest Khasi Hills Iway, not Iway.